Hi guys, my name is Doreen. Our group is going to review a future fire truck concept. As seen in the video just now, you can see the fire truck is very fantastic. I can say fantastic because I think the design of its concept is very creative and innovative because it can rise up in the sky during the emergency situation. Its concept includes a flying platform powered by 20 propellers. It can just move toward the fire on very thin legs that could wave between the cars or any other vehicles. So the fire truck has that ability to rise over the traffic jam. And in my opinion, it will hold all the gear firefighters need, and its elevation ability will enable it to get close to the fire soon. Even though the concept looks like very far from the reality right now, but I think the ideas is good and it's really creative.
Hi guys, I'm Shirley. It's my turn to review on the video about the future fire truck now. As in my opinion, the idea and concept shown in the video is very creative and innovative because there's a very cool design for the future fire truck. I like the way that it can get through the traffic easier by just rise over the traffic on its thinnest wheels and move between the rows of cars. That will allow for quick access anywhere and make getting to the fire location in just a few minutes. Besides, I also like the drone aspect as it can go up to the high-rise fire locations as soon as possible along with the necessary firefighting equipment. Therefore, by adopting this future fire truck in our life, that would help the firefighter to save a lot of life and building. Even though most of the things in this video is not possible scientifically, as there's a lot of design issue needs to be developed and improved, but it's a great concept. Thank you.
In my opinion, according to the video shows, I love the idea of the fire truck, which helps on reducing the problem faced by many people. As we all know, creativity is all about curiosity and imagination. Therefore, a creative ideas always come from the person whom have a great imagination, and he is the person whom gives the existing idea to the practical application. However, the fire truck do counted as a creative ideas, whereas it overcome the problem facing by the firemen right now. Problems such as reaching to higher story of building with a faster speed, going through the traffic within a fast speed rather than stuck in the middle of the traffic jams. The design and the imaginative ideas from the fire truck is really out of the box, where it brings benefit to all of us. Last but not least, it is important to have a creative in a person to make change and to improve. Thank you.
In my opinion, the fire truck is creative and innovative because it has a walkway that enables people to walk in. This could help people who are being trapped in the fire and cannot escape from their room. The walkway helps a lot to the elderly, especially for them whose mobility is limited and difficult to get down from their apartment or condominium during the fire.
In my point of view, such a design of the fire truck is kinda out of the box thinking, where it is most likely towards literal thinking than logical thinking. According to the Oxford English Dictionary, literal thinking is way of thinking which seeks the solution to intractable problems through unorthodox method or element which would normally be ignored by logical thinking. As we all know, thinking out of the box is one of the key of successfully generate great and creative ideas to solve the problems arise from the social. Therefore, the video shows the creativity that generates from the literal thinking is better than a logical thinking. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Zhen Ying. I'm going to share the thoughts after I watching this video. In this video, the future fire truck concept really impressed me through the visual impact of its design and functionality. Before I had seen this video, I had totally no idea on how a fire truck will look like in the future. As you can see in the video, the fire truck are allowed to pass through easily in a traffic jam, which reduces the time to reach the accident spot. Besides that, the firefighters are also able to work in a safer condition because the fire truck is fully equipped with advanced firefighting gadgets that may improve the efficiency of their job. In my opinion, the future fire truck concept is very creative, but I think there are still some improvement for it. I believe that this concept may help in the development of firefighting system to reduce the risk caused by accident.